12 years went by, and I had a most astonishing and beautifully written letter one day, signed by that same boy. And he said, "Since you talked with me that day, I've been a Christian. And I'm happy now to tell you also that since that time, I've not only finished the high school and the university course, but I've taken a course also in theology. And today, I'm the pastor of such and such a colored church in Texas." The church was a prominent one. As I have reflected upon the fact that it only required a few minutes that day of my time and news, I confess very frankly I often hang my head with shame that I have not put in more such times with people of possible conversion. And my moral would be, let us redeem the time unto God, knowing that it's short, and that marvelous results may be accomplished in a very brief conversation if Christ is presented therein.